Us now with a look at our forecast. Kristi.
Thanks so much, Colleen. It's a tough go for anyone traveling, as you mentioned, with Sasquatch Mountain, numerous areas dealing with stuff like that. But I'm also thinking about Santa trying to get through all of the various locations around the world, and we have so much weather going on. All right, so these are the look at the warnings that are in place right now. As we talked about earlier, the rainfall warning has ended for the south coast, but we still have more rain on deck. We've got two systems. One will move in tomorrow and another one on Boxing Day. Meanwhile, we have a number of winter storm warnings in effect. We have a special weather statement. The key here is that precipitation is going to continue. It's still very cold down below, so warm air riding up and over is causing mixed precipitation. A lot of areas are seeing ice pellets, and we still have the risk of freezing rain. So travel will not be great in all the areas, especially in through the Fraser Canyon, Coquihalla, as well as Allison Pass. So this is where we sit right now. Conditions are going to ease overnight, but then that next wave will move on shore tomorrow morning. So widespread rainfall for the south coast tomorrow morning as everyone's opening Christmas presents, and then it spreads further inland throughout the day. So for those of you in the interior, that precipitation will continue through the latter part of the day, so it may be tough coming and going from Christmas dinner. So if you can avoid that, I recommend doing so. And as I mentioned, we've got another wave that's going to move on shore for Boxing Day, so making even worse travel conditions as we head into Boxing Day. Quick look at how much more moisture is on the way. We could see anywhere from 20 to 50 millimeters of rain, so we're dealing with significant flooding, and I'm not expecting much relief as we are going to continue to see precipitation over the next several days. Here's a look at tomorrow's forecast, your Christmas Day forecast, everyone. So for our region, much milder. We're expecting highs of 7 to 9 degrees across the south coast and potentially 10 across Metro Vancouver. Freezing levels are going to climb not only tomorrow but on Boxing Day as well. So not only are we contending with heavy rain over the next couple of days, but also significant snowmelt will continue on the local mountains, and that will add to the amount of moisture that's coming down and causing the pooling water and the localized flooding, as you well know. Not much relief in the days to come, Colleen, but at least for anyone that doesn't like to drive around in snow, I guess that's some good news. The snow is definitely disappearing. Back to you.
That is the one bright spot in the forecast. Thanks so much, Kristi.